What's up guys, and welcome back to the brand new episode of Idiots in Cars. This is episode number 142, and today we're going to be watching some of the drivers who are the main reason why aliens don't want to visit us. So without any further ado, sit back, relax, and let's dive into this. Alrighty, if I'm not mistaken, that is the sound of an approaching speed and power. Bro is about to make an entrance. Come on, nice and easy. Power! Whack! That's how you arrive at home. Whoa, looks like someone is identifying as a train. Bro was watching way too much Thomas and Friends. And he's like, yeah, keep honking, you're just jealous that I'm a train and you are not. Choo choo peasants, I'm getting out of here. Oh, that is the security, I thought it was the police at first. But anyways, let's see here. Whoa, please don't hurt us. That Prius was like, this is what I could do, but I won't. For now, of course. Consider yourself lucky. Whoa, that Gran Turismo just grand slammed that minivan. Send this to your crush and say, sorry, I slid way too fast into your DMs. Whoa, it's a Prius. A wise man once said, if you survive the Prius, there will be always a pickup truck to finish you off. Some people really struggle to figure out how the roundabout works. But it is what it is. On to the next one. Beep, 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 beep. That's good. That's good, perfect. This is what happens when you buy your sensors for $4.99, shipping included. Now let's leave our bad online shopping decisions behind and let's see what is going on here. Whoa, that hit was personal. Maybe he doesn't like Mercedes, who knows? And here goes the BMW, be careful everybody. Actually, this went much better than I thought, considering it's a BMW, of course. Alright then, step aside boys, let me show you how it's done. The key here is the speed and power. Observe. Right. That's not gone well. But at least he tried. He really tried. Whoa. Habibi pulled too hard. They see me rolling. Hey, then bro went full ka-chow. Oh, it's a BMW alert. Here goes another one. Oh, he's using it. What? This is so incredibly shocking that I can't even speak. He used his indicator, which is a great deal for the BMWs. And a great achievement as well. He's making history. Oh, but the truck decided to change that. Booyah, you got knocked out. That trucker had enough and gave him the taste of his own medicine. And meanwhile in Cool Town, this guy is driving his trailer on one wheel. And if that wasn't cool enough for you, he did a sick barrel roll as well. Show off. Let's see here. Oh, peekaboo! Whack! Here I would say it's 50-50 because his lights were off, but on the other hand, the dashcam guy wasn't paying too much attention. Whoa! Whoa, he got taken out. That's some Final Destination stuff right there. It's like a scene from a movie. It's unreal, that's crazy. And the cab driver's probably now like, I'm not paid enough for this crap. Oh, a porch cam. This is gonna be interesting. Someone had a little dispute with the neighbors. I'm not sure, of course, but that's an educated guess. Whoa, hold it, bro, hold it now! Whoa. That truck went to sleep. But with jokes aside, that guy just didn't pay attention. And also he overreacted big time. Big time. Hey yo, psst, everyone! I know a shortcut, follow me, come on! Just around this little tree and onto this little road, and I'm free as a bird. I'm gone. See you later, boys. And sometimes my genius is just frightening. Oh no! Oh. Hey boss, I don't know how to explain this, but I got hit by a stationary truck. He was just standing there aggressively. Whoa, and the Prius attacks again. Just when you think you're safe, you're not. The Prius is always waiting. Whoa, the bro just invented a new lane. Because overtaking on the left is overrated AF. That was incredibly stupid. Oh no, get on the power, go. Oof. What was that all about?
Go, you're in front, go! You have a yield sign!
Well, technically, he did let you go, so... Whoa, what the hell was that? That dude was doing many things, and one of them are drugs. Nothing to see here, just move along. Nothing to see here, just the car on its roof. Nothing out of the ordinary, everything's fine. Let's see here. Yo, stay in your lane, bro. Stay in your lane. That reaction took 2 to 5 business days to arrive. He was lagging. And his name is John Cena. The SUV was like, I feel like crashing today and I'm taking a pickup truck with me. And to be honest, that was a perfect reaction from a pickup driver. Nice. Very nice. But anyways, moving on. Let's see here. Oh, is that a Mustang? When I see you again. Oh. Bro got a little bit confused. But it's okay. Those lines could be very tricky. If you're a toddler. Boom, roasted. And also for a minute I thought that Mustang is gonna give us a great show, but next time I guess. Whoa. The Kia Soul is violin again. And that was a nice 180, by the way. I would rate it around 9.5 because that was a pretty nice 180. Whoa, careful, man. Hey, yo, bro, where are you going? He changed the time zone to avoid that, and this guy here just left the Los Santos Customs and selected all of the options. Dearie me, that was a biggie. Now he needs to go right back, and that's a shame. Alrighty, let's see what do we have here. That's a nice looking Camaro, and what is this guy doing? Humping the humping the curbs. I can't believe I said that, but there we go. That guy's like, I'm speed or am I? Handbrake turn. Never let him know your next move. He almost did a 360 there. Let's see here. When you see a road like this, you know it's gonna be a big one. Oh no, 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 no. Oh. That was close. At least the road was wide enough and dingleberry proof. And booyah! The red little car woke up and chose violence. Like I said before, it's always the small car, unless it's not. Like in this case. That Jeep Wrangler went berserk. And this guy here is like, how do I crash today? Put it in reverse and go slowly, slowly. There we go. I'm gonna make sure they see my license plate and I'm gonna run away. What can I say? A true genius at work. Whoa, what the hell is going on here? Probably someone decided to play with a phone and the rest is history. And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching and for the amazing support, of course. It really means the world to me. And if you enjoyed in today's video, please smack that like button, subscribe if you want to see more of this, of course. And also don't forget to leave a comment as well. So yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to power every day. I love you all, stay awesome, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao, ciao.